What's up guys, AB Trades here. Welcome back to another video. So in this video, we're going to speak about how to handle losses in trading. So that's a topic that a lot of you guys ask me always in my DMs on Instagram. For those that don't follow me on other platforms, make sure you guys check out the description down below. All my links will be on there to social media, my Telegram channels, etc. Right? So how to handle losses in trading. So if you're concerned about that, that means you're probably over leveraging, right? So what that means is you're risking more than what you're comfortable with risking. In order to fix that, the way you have to do it is you have to grab your account balance, divide that by how many opportunities you want to give yourself in the market. Let's say I put $5,000 in a trading account. I want to give myself at least 20 opportunities in the market. Why? Because I understand based on my skills, there's no way that I should lose more than 20 times in a row for me to blow the whole entire account. So that gives me an average of about what, $250 a setup. So that means I could risk $250 per setup to gain 1 to 3 risk to reward. So on a 1 to 2 risk to reward, I'll be gaining 500. On a 1 to 3, I'll be gaining $750. So that is how I personally go about handling my losses. What that does, having that game plan, is when you do end up taking those losses, because there's no way to avoid losses. Even years into this journey, you're still going to lose. Even if you've been trading for 20 years, there's still going to be losses because that's just the game that we play here, right? But the game is meant for you to minimize those losses. Wins are not guaranteed. You cannot know for sure that you're going to win every single time or that you're going to win a particular setup. But what you could control is how much you lose on that setup if it was not to play out in your favor. So the way to do that is I literally grab my account balance and I divide it by the amount of opportunities that I personally want to give myself in this market for me to blow that entire account. That is how I personally go about handling losses in the market, because they will come. It's inevitable for them to not happen. So you cannot sit there and dwell on them. So when a loss happens, you step away from the charts. I have another rule as well to help me with that, which is I only give an opportunity twice in the market per day. So let's say I just saw in my computer, right? I take my first position. Now, let's say that position doesn't play out in my favor, then okay, I'll wait for price to show me exactly what it wants to do next, and then I give it a second opportunity. I keep the same risk. Now, what I do change is usually on average, I am a 1 to 2, 1 to 3 risk to reward trader, right? So I usually close my setups at a 1 to 2 to 1 to 3 more or less. So let's say I lost that first setup. Now I lost 1R, 1 risk to reward, right? So now on that second opportunity, instead of me closing at a 1 to 1, I'm going to close at a 1 to 2, at a 1 to 3. Why? Because that at a 1 to 1, I'm break even because I made up for that loss. Now at a 1 to 2, now I'm in profit at 1R, and at a 1 to 3, I'm profit 2R for the day, and I go on with my day. So that's one of the rules that has helped me along the years, is just giving 2 opportunities in the market. So that way, if I do lose that first one, I take that second one. And if I lose the second one, then I literally get out of my chair and I step away and I go about my day. Why? Because you need to do other activities, other things throughout your day to clear your mind. Because if you stay in front of the charts, you're gonna see things that are not really there, but you're just seeing them because you're literally just glued on to the charts, right? So then you step away, you go about your day. Now you come back tomorrow with a fresh peace of mind, with a fresh, a fresh day, fresh energy, and then you show up again to the markets. And that is how I go about handling losses. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Make sure to subscribe, leave a comment, like, so I see if you guys enjoy these type of videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.